Hey, hope you're doing well. On this video, I wanted to cover three topics, which is video idea, thumbnail, and also title, because this is the most important thing, especially in terms of YouTube automation and to actually go viral on the platform, okay, time and time again. If you dial these three things, your channel will blow up literally, okay. And I'll also be showing you a lot of different example, and I'm really excited to share this information with you, because not a lot of people on YouTube, especially when they're getting started, they don't know about this stuff, okay. So I'll reveal all this secret to you, so you can go out there and crush it with your YouTube automation business model, okay. So with that out of the way, let me share with you my screen, so you can understand the process of finding video idea and start to create videos, okay. So as you can see, I'm on incognito tab, and if you haven't watched the last video, I highly recommend you to go and watch the last video, because in the last video I covered how to find the niche. I also gave you a lot of different niche you can also look into, okay. And basically by now you should have a niche selected by the example I gave you and the method that I also showed you. So you can go out there, find a niche. Now it's all about coming up with the video idea, coming up with the title, coming up with the thumbnail, and then after that, on the coming video, I will also be cover with you where we go out and hire our team from, okay. So let's go to YouTube, and simply what I like to do is I like to do most of my research on incognito tab, because it's like a clean account. However, if you already have your niche selected, you can go and do the research on your Gmail account, or the account that you actually opened up and you did your niche research. So by now the algorithm should be able to know which video you're gonna, which things you actually watch on YouTube, okay. So you can do the research there, but for example purpose, I'm doing this on a incognito tab, because I don't want YouTube to know about my search history and stuff like that, okay. So as an example, you probably have maybe got into like soccer niche, sports niche, basketball niche, okay. So very simply, I'll just type in soccer. For example, maybe I am modeling a channel who are into soccer, okay, and I want to create videos about soccer. Or if I want to start a cricket channel, okay, or if I want to start a cricket channel, I always like to model after channel who are like only got like 100,000 subscribers, but the views they're getting is a lot, okay. Those are the channel, especially in the beginning stage, like when I'm starting from like 1,000 subscribers with already monetized channel. I like to model a channel that's got like about close to about maybe 20,000, 50,000, 60,000 subscribers, but the views they're getting is a lot. Those are the style of channel I want to model after, okay. So as an example, maybe you're doing a maybe you're doing a tennis channel, okay, as an example. But I'd like to find a channel which is totally into they're doing different sports, and I like to bring their idea to my particular channel, okay. Very, very unique concept, because what a lot of people actually do is they go out there, they find their competitor channels, and they keep modeling that channel, okay. Yes, you're gonna get growth with that. However, if you do this method, not a lot of people actually know about this method, okay. So I'll also be showing you example what I actually mean by that, okay. So as an example, if you see this channel is got like 2.58 million subscribers, okay. But like for example, you're gonna be doing research on a smaller channel, okay. So I like to just do by most popular, and what I like to look at is the views to subscriber count, because the views is got 41 million views. literally he's got only 2.58 million subscribers. So it's a lot of views that this particular video are actually getting. Okay. But as an example, if I want to start a tennis channel, what I like to do, I like to take the idea and apply to my tennis channel. Okay. For example, if you're doing like a celebrity channel, you want to model a channel that's already got like less subscribers, but views they're getting is a lot, and see what title you can take from them and add some more value in it. Okay. But going back to the tennis example, and this taking the model from the soccer channel applying to the tennis channel. So if I want to do a tennis channel, obviously, like I've done the research, I've got so many channels also I found out, but I want to apply the concept to my tennis channel. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll go here, sort by most popular, and I'll take this title, Impossible Moments. Okay. Because this title have actually worked in the soccer channel. And if I apply this to my tennis channel, it will definitely work. Okay. So as you can see, Impossible Moments, and this is soccer. So I'll take the title, apply to my tennis channel. I'll say Impossible Moments in Tennis. If I have for example, a basketball channel, I'll probably put Impossible Moments in basketball or NBA, right? So if I go to this channel called Dime, and literally you'll see they are really doing the same thing. Okay, so if I go by most popular, so they took the concept from this channel, Impossible Moments, and if you go and see here, they go NBA Epic Moments, Impossible, NBA High IQ Moments. If I go to soccer channel, you'll see some title here that has literally got high IQ moment as well. Okay, so let me see. Okay, comedy moments in football. So they're taking, like, look at these funny moments. Okay, so they probably got these funny moments, and they applied actually on the basketball channel. Okay, so Impossible Records in NBA. So you can see how short the title is, and it's really working. So if I actually want to apply this to my tennis, I'll just go and do tennis embarrassing moment, and I'll do some sort of arrow like this that is tying together with the particular niche I'm into. Okay. um, Another idea that I'll also come up with is impossible penalty saves. So he did impossible moments. I saw them also do. Um, let's see. So NBA impossible moments. So you can see here they've also created a video impossible. So for tennis, what I'll do, tennis impossible moments, and so impossible shots, and I'll also be pointing arrows. So you can literally see this concept is actually working in real time, and you can actually take the concept and apply to your niche. But for example, you say probably, Sanjeev, I understand that, like, but what if, like, I'm starting and I can't find channels who are actually doing that? So I'll tell you that if you do the research for the first niche research that I showed you, if you go through that process, you'll definitely find a lot of channels. And also you'll find channels that's like really small. Okay, so that's the key, is to find channels that's really small but they're getting a lot of views, so you can maybe steal their ideas and apply it to your niche. As an example, if you want to do like a celebrity channel. Okay, so I'll go here, celebrity. Maybe Justin Bieber is really hot. Okay. For example, if you see a video about Justin Bieber and he's going viral, what I'll do, so here,
Mr. Shannon.
so for example, if I'm modeling this channel, okay, so I'll sort by most popular, and I'll see the recent video that has got a lot of views. So I'll take that idea and apply to my particular niche. Okay, so uh, let's see if I can find any channel. By the way, I'm not into celebrity channels, so I'm just doing the research in real time. But you can see, um, let's see if I can find any faceless channel in Justin Bieber niche. Uh, so hot poll, okay,
YNW.
popular. Okay, so for example, if I'm in the celebrity channel, this title have really worked in this. Okay, so if you see some popular celebrity, they're getting into some sort of having some sort of drama in their life at the current time that you're creating video. um, what I like to do is I like to find channel that's like in my niche, celebrity niche. Okay, and I'll find channel that's got like a lot of views, but if I can get the title and apply to the celebrity that's having at that time the dramas. Okay, and I'll, for the thumbnail, I'll model exactly what that thumbnail did. So if it's this guy sitting here, if I'm creating video about Justin Bieber, I'll have Justin Bieber in this photo. Okay, because this title have actually worked, this thumbnail model, this thumbnail style has worked, so I'll just take it and apply to Justin Bieber, right? But as an example, if you creating video about this particular guy, instead of this guy, I'll also find some person who is actually um, uh, talking about this guy. So I'll bring that guy in the thumbnail, right, and create video about these two people, or even a third person. So I have three people in the thumbnail. And I'll just take the title and I can add more value. I'll add different people name who are actually having drama in their life. So that way I have more chances of going viral. But because if you create the video that's already on the platform, people have already seen it. If you create the same video, you won't get much traction. Okay, so it's always good to go out there. Whatever video idea you find, you can add more value in that video, so people have more chances of clicking on your video, watching it, and you can get a lot of views right off the gate. Okay, so
YNW Melly, who's
but I wanted to show you, like, most popular person on YouTube actually also does this process, Mr. Beast. And you might be asking, you might be thinking like this, I just dropped off. Mr. Beast is a genius. Yes, definitely he is a genius, but he's always finding title which he can actually take it to his niche. So if I go to, like, for example, this video here, hydraulic press versus Lamborghini. But if I go and search hydraulic press here, hydraulic press versus, okay, you'll see hydraulic press. Of course, like, Mr. Beast's video is up, but Beast actually got the video idea from this particular channel. Okay, and they create videos everything with hydraulic press. So you can see here, so if you see, Mr. Beast just created this video like 1 year ago. Okay, but if you see this video, this channel has been creating video about 3 years ago, and look how much views they got. Like, hydraulic press versus old and modern. Hydraulic press versus modern and old. Hydraulic press versus hydraulic press versus. So which tells me that hydraulic press versus title format has been working. So what literally Mr. Beast did, instead of just stealing the title and doing the same thing again, he added some different component in that title. So instead of hydraulic press versus old and modern helmet, Mr. Beast created hydraulic press versus Lamborghini. So because a lot of people actually love Lamborghini, and people looking at that thumbnail might be so, oh, is Mr. B is going to just destroy the Lamborghini. So he's adding more curiosity, and even in all of these thumbnails, like all of these title, he actually got it from different place. Okay, like he's finding ideas from completely different niche, and he's bringing that idea to his niche. That's how he's actually getting viral on a timely basis. Okay, very very important. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna find channels that's related to yours, or even if you find like the tennis example I showed you, if you're actually doing basketball, see what other sports you can apply that basketball style to. Like for example, if you see a lot of people are actually creating videos on a particular celebrity, you can, and they're getting viral, you can just take that celebrity's the title and add some value in it. Right, example, Justin Bieber got in trouble with PDD. Okay, the title has worked, the thumbnail style has worked, so you're just gonna be stealing that concept and make it better. So instead of saying Justin Bieber and PDD, you can find which other celebrities are actually talking about Justin Bieber. You say Justin Bieber and uh, Justin Bieber and Justin Timberlake. If Justin Timberlake has been talking about Justin Bieber, you can mix those two together, because these two people are celebrities, right? So you want to see what you can add to the title, and get the title from that channel that's actually has been working, and then you can apply the concept for the title and also the thumbnail, and you're going to be creating a video idea. Okay, so you probably are asking like, what does video idea mean? Video idea simply means like, what is that video about? Okay, so you can see this video is about a squid game. That's the video idea, you know. This is exactly the video idea. Last to leave circle wins 500,000. $1 versus plane ticket. So this idea is about plane ticket. Okay, but the video idea that you find from the competitor channel, that's particularly the video idea. So you're going to take the video idea and apply it to your particular niche that you actually getting into, right? So by now you should be able to understand like how to actually come up with the video idea. Okay, if you having trouble, you can post in the community. I'll be more than happy to create more videos about it. But that's literally the concept that you got to be taking, is finding small channels whose title are working, and what you can also add to the title. Because uh, maybe when you're actually watching Netflix series, okay, and when you're watching that Netflix series, and then it stops, okay, so the episode finishes, but you want to watch more. So that's same with YouTube videos. Okay, when someone creates the video, they always have something left in that video that they didn't complete. Then you can go out there and create that, add that, whatever you creating in that video, add to your title, and the thumbnail you want to model like competitor, but you want to also be adding some sort of value in the title with like maybe different person's name or different moments, and in the thumbnail it should show that you have added the thing in it. Okay, so hopefully by now you should understand like the video idea, and also how to come up with the title and thumbnail. And in the next video I'll share with you where to hire the team, so you can start delegating all these things, so that way you can start creating passive income business for your YouTube automation channel. So again, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.